I have a new dirty job on my mind, and it's the refrigerator. But it is the easiest dirty job in the world. First, you have to take everything out of the fridge, no doubt. After that, you definitely want to wipe down your shelves. You want the fridge to be clean, of course. But then there's the containers. Lazy Susans are amazing. Acrylic clear containers are great, and those that stack, even better. So now off you go. And you know what else? My teenager loves this chore. Now, he likes the incentive that he receives for doing this chore, but the reality is he loves this job. So, help you have, job you've done, and after you do it once, maybe another year before you have to do it again. So, with that, good luck. Ciao. See you next time.